Welcome to the Soul Hypno Vibe podcast. Hey everyone, I'm Jocelyn and I'm so excited to welcome you to the Soul Hypno Vibe podcast. We're here to explore the power of meditation, manifestation, and so much more. We're bringing you fresh, up-to-date insights on everything from mindfulness practices to personal growth and living your best life. But here's the best part. Each week, we're bringing in a range of amazing hosts and special guests who are experts in various areas of meditation, manifestation, and personal development. Every episode is packed with new perspectives, inspiration, and ideas to help you make real changes in your life. If you're loving what we're talking about and want to be part of the Soul Hypno Vibe community, don't forget to join us by subscribing to our podcast. And if you'd like to show some extra love, you can always buy us a coffee to help keep the good vibes flowing. Just follow the donation link in the description below. So, grab your favorite drink, get comfortable, and let's dive into today's conversation. We can't wait to have you on this journey with us.
All right, ready for this? We're going deep into the world of Esther Hicks.
And the law of attraction.
That's right. We're talking about her audiobook, Ask and It Is Given.
We got some background from Wikipedia, too.
Yeah, a little bit of everything. Esther's story. Wow.
It's wild, especially when you think about, where she started.
Yeah.
Like, skeptical of all that spiritual stuff.
Even scared of it.
A little bit, yeah.
She talks about it in the audiobook, Fear of the Devil thing.
Oh, from Sunday school.
From Sunday school, yeah. Made her avoid anything even close to, spirituality.
Or the occult, right?
Yeah.
Makes you wonder how she ended up.
Channeling a collective consciousness? Total 180, right? But it wasn't overnight or anything. The audiobook makes it clear it was super gradual.
Yeah.
She talks about meeting this channeler, Sheila, and it was actually her husband. Jerry. He was the one who really wanted to go.
Oh, he had a list of questions and everything.
Yeah, since he was a kid. But you can see how different they were. Going into it, Esther just wanted to, get through it without freaking out. And then, boom, she meets Theo.
Woo.
That's who Sheila was channeling.
Oh, okay.
And something just changed for Esther.
Oh.
All that fear gone. She felt amazing. And then she's the one who wants to go back for more.
It's pretty wild, right?
Yeah, how quickly it happened. Something just clicked.
Definitely. It wasn't logic or anything.
No, just energy shifting or whatever.
Makes you think about those moments we all have,
That was huge shifts.
Yeah, it totally changes your life.
This entity, it tells them Jerry and Esther are channels.
Whoa.
I can't even imagine what Esther was thinking.
Yeah, what a curveball.
Total curveball.
That's a big moment for them.
It is. It's the start of their own channeling journey. They go home, start meditating. Here's where it gets really interesting. Esther describes, in the audiobook, these intense physical sensations during their first meditation.
Like what?
Numbness, all over. And feeling like she was spinning even though she was just sitting there.
That's wild.
Apparently that kind of thing happens to people who, go deep in meditation.
Yeah, energy shifts, releasing tension, stuff like that.
Then during one of those sessions, boom.
What?
Abraham.
That's the name.
That's the name she gets.
It's a collective consciousness.
And that's when she really starts channeling.
So it's this amazing evolution, right? From fear to channeling.
Yeah. It's amazing. And that's all before she even starts sharing it with the world, writing books, all that.
It's like a superhero origin story.
Totally. But hold on, there's one more thing.
Oh?
From Wikipedia.
Oh.
Esther was in the original The Secret movie.
Really?
But they took her footage out later.
That's weird.
Yeah. There are different stories about why. Some say it was disagreements about ideas.
Oh, okay.
Others say it was about money. Who knows? We're not going to speculate.
Right.
But it's interesting, right? Even behind all these big messages, there's human stuff going on.
But no matter what happened, Esther being in the secret.
Even for a little bit.
Yeah. It definitely helped get the law of attraction out there.
For sure. Okay, so enough about the backstory.
Let's get into it.
The law of attraction.
Yeah, what are some of the big ideas from the audiobook that stood out to you?
Well, first, we have to understand,
Yeah.
the core stuff.
Of course.
The foundation,
Yeah.
Attracts, we're always sending out these vibes.
Vibrations,
yeah, based on our thoughts and feelings.
Okay.
And those vibes, they attract similar experiences.
Like magnets.
Like magnets.
Okay, yeah, that's the classic law of attraction stuff.
Right.
But the audiobook goes deeper, right?
Yeah.
What else did you find interesting?
What really stood out to me was how Abraham Through Esther, they talk about emotions.
They call them like vibrational interpreters.
Huh. Interesting.
Because our feelings are telling us, if we're on the right track or not.
Oh, with our desires and stuff.
Exactly. It's not just about like thinking positive.
You have to feel it too.
Yeah. Like really feel good, joyful, excited about what you want.
Because that means you're aligned?
Vibrationally.
Oh, okay.
So it's not enough to just say, I want to be rich.
You got to feel what it would be like.
Yeah. The freedom, the joy, all that, even if it hasn't happened yet.
That's trippy.
And that's where the allowing. Yeah, like surrendering to the universe.
Oh, okay.
Trusting that what you want is coming.
But not trying to control how it happens.
Right. A lot of people struggle with that.
Oh, yeah, we want to micromanage everything.
And that creates resistance, which blocks the flow.
Like blocks your abundance.
Exactly. Abraham talks about a bunch of techniques to overcome that.
Did any of them, jump out at you?
Oh, tons. But I really like the prosperity games. Prosperity games.
What are those?
They're like these fun exercises to change your money mindset.
Oh, interesting.
They're great because they, bypass your logical mind.
Ah.
Tap into imagination and playfulness.
Which is more powerful.
Way more powerful, especially for money stuff, because, we all have those deep-seated beliefs about scarcity and fear.
Right, right.
So one example is, imagining you get a bunch of money unexpectedly.
Like winning the lottery.
Not necessarily. It's more about getting comfortable with the idea of abundance.
Okay.
Really imagine it. What you'd do with the money, how you'd feel.
It's like a practice run.
Exactly. You're training your energy, so when real opportunities show up,
you're ready?
You're open to receiving them.
Makes sense.
Oh, and there's this other technique, the placemat process.
What's that?
It's about, letting the universe handle your to-do list.
Whoa, what?
It's pretty cool. You write down...
On a placemat?
Well, on a piece of paper. But yeah, you divide it in half. And on one side, it's things I'll do today. And the other side is things I want the universe to do.
So you're delegating to the cosmos.
Kind of. It's more about letting go of control.
Trusting.
Yeah, trusting that the universe has got you.
And that things will work out.
Exactly. But you have to be intentional with what you put on each side.
Not just being lazy.
No, it's about figuring out what really needs your effort.
And what you can surrender.
Right. And I love how it's like you're collaborating with the universe.
It's like saying, help me out here.
Exactly. And being open to support and guidance from, a higher power.
It's a big shift in mindset.
Huge. And when you let go of control like that,
yeah,
you open yourself up to so many possibilities.
Things you couldn't even imagine.
Totally. The audiobook also talks about virtual reality.
Virtual reality, like with a headset?
No, it's more like creating an experience in your mind.
Really feeling it.
Yeah. The more real you can make it, the more you're aligning with it. Vibrational.
And then it can manifest.
Exactly.
There's also scripting, right?
Oh, yeah. That's where you write out your dream life. Like a story.
It's a story.
Yeah. With all the details, the emotions, everything.
Like a movie script?
Exactly. And you write it as if it's happening now.
Oh, in the present tense.
Yeah. It's powerful for reprogramming your subconscious.
So you start believing it's real.
And that makes it manifest faster.
Wow, these techniques are so cool.
I know, right? It's like a whole toolkit for creating your reality.
It's like Abraham saying, here's how to play with the law of attraction.
Exactly. They give you the power.
To create your own life.
Exactly. And they don't say there's only one way to do it.
You can experiment.
Find what works for you.
That's awesome. What about vibrational escrow?
Oh, that's a mind blower.
Tell me about it.
It's the idea that everything we want, it already exists.
What?
But in a non-physical realm.
Okay.
And we just have to align with it.
Vibrationally.
To bring it into our reality.
So it's like cosmic storage unit.
Filled with our dreams. And the key is to raise our vibration.
But how?
Well, one way is the rampage of appreciation.
A rampage?
Yeah. It's about focusing on all the good stuff.
What you're grateful for.
Exactly. No matter how small.
Even if you're feeling down.
Yeah. You got to shift your focus.
To the positive?
To what you appreciate.
Like what?
Anything. Your coffee, the sunshine, a good laugh.
Oh, okay.
And as you do that, your energy changes and you attract more good things.
Because you're vibrating higher.
Exactly. It's like training yourself to see abundance everywhere.
And then you become a magnet for more abundance.
That's the beauty of it.
But what about when things are tough?
Yeah. Life isn't always sunshine and rainbows.
What does Abraham say about negativity and stuff?
Well, they get it, you know.
That we're not perfect.
Yeah, we're going to have those moments
where we're feeling down.
But those negative feelings,
yeah,
they're actually like important messages.
Messages.
Yeah, like signals showing us where we're blocking ourselves.
Blocking ourselves from what?
From our true desires, the things we really want.
Interesting. So it's not about, like, pretending we're not feeling bad.
No, it's about using those feelings as information.
Information about what?
About the things we need to change, you know?
Oh.
Like our limiting beliefs, the patterns that are holding us back.
So when I'm feeling anxious or whatever,
Yeah.
instead of freaking out,
You can ask yourself,
what's this feeling telling me?
yeah, where am I getting it my own way?
And then what?
Then you can use those techniques we talked about.
Oh, the rampage of appreciation and stuff.
Yeah, to shift your perspective.
To let go of those beliefs.
And raise your vibration.
So you can get back into alignment.
Exactly. It's like taking control.
Of your own feelings.
Yeah. Choosing a different thought.
Yeah.
A different feeling.
And that changes your reality.
It's pretty amazing when you think about it.
It is. It reminds me of Esther's story.
How she went from being scared
to channeling Abraham.
and sharing this message of empowerment with the world.
It's powerful stuff.
It really is.
It shows you the power of the law of attraction.
That you can change your life by changing your thoughts and feelings.
Totally. And it makes me think about The Secret again.
Oh, yeah.
How it, like, introduced so many people to these ideas.
Even though there was some drama behind the scenes?
Yeah, but on Wikipedia, it says that Esther made her own DVD series later.
Really?
Called The Secret Behind the Secret.
What? That's so interesting.
I know, right? Makes you wonder what else she had to say.
Yeah, like what's the deeper stuff?
Maybe we should do a deep dive on that someday.
I'm in. But even without that, we've learned a lot today, right?
We have! Esther's story. The law of attraction basics.
And all those cool techniques.
It helped us create our dream life.
The biggest takeaway for me is that we have the power
to create our own reality.
We're not just stuck with what life throws at us.
And the universe is always there to support us.
As long as we're open to it.
That's a beautiful thought.
It really is. It's been awesome exploring this with you.
Same here. I hope our listeners feel inspired.
To start using these ideas in their own lives.
Yeah, go out there and make some magic happen.
Yes.
Go out there and start building the life of your dreams.
Start building.